Hey guys, we're back with an update. It's been a while, we know, so we decided to start with a real-time sneak peek of the house right now because you guys deserve it for being so patient, and we wanted to show you what you're in for the final results from these videos. To the folks that have been here from the beginning, thank you so much for your continued support. We also want to welcome and introduce ourselves to all our new subscribers. We are James and Claudia, a young married couple who found our dream property and purchased it back in May of 2020. For an entire year now, we've been working on cleaning up the property, keeping the racetrack of course, and then we also did start our dream off-grid home at the end of June of 2020. Don't forget to check us out on Instagram and TikTok for more recent content. So what have we been up to? Well, we decided to decommission the existing well and dig a brand new one. The cost difference wasn't that much, so we decided let's start brand new. We got ourselves a well butcher, dug 180 feet deep, and then we got ourselves some nice soft water. The main framing and the interior is now pretty much complete, so we're working on the exterior, making sure there's no holes, gaps, everything is nice and tight because we are going to start insulating and making sure this house is energy efficient and nice and warm. After we were satisfied with the outside, then we started digging down and installing our utility lines. We continued to dig and we dug a pond beside our house, and the water collected from our house drains into it. Here's a quick recap of the framing that is now complete. James went ahead and built a Dutch gable just because we want to separate the siding with some cedar shape just to make the house a bit more attractive. While we were finishing that up, we also did get a special delivery. All our windows and doors came in, so now it's time to close in the house. We did quickly pour the front porch just to make installation a bit easier for those windows and doors. All the windows that we were adding are pretty big, and this is the way James and I got around installing them by ourselves. I hopped into the telehandler and boosted him up so he didn't have to carry those big windows by himself. And when he got it in place, then I quickly hopped out, ran inside, and then helped him level it and fasten it. What you may have already noticed in this video as well is that the roof is actually complete. This happened while we were at work that day. We decided to go with some steel shingles, but unfortunately we couldn't record the process simply because we didn't do it and they didn't want to be recorded. While we were working on closing the house in, the heating and cooling team also came out and they got to work as well. We highly enjoyed this week of the build because we got to relax a little bit and the electrician and plumber both came out and things were moving. Our excitement grew the most though when our solar system started coming in and things were starting to get installed for that. Thanks so much for sticking around and watching our update. Next time you can catch us insulating our home, making it nice and warm and toasty. And then we also did start on our concrete deck. See you next time.